You see this Dell? You see this Dell? You see all this crazy stuff I'm doing to heat it up? Look at this. It's not very old. Core i7, 10th generation. Yet, this thing had a problem where it would hibernate. You would see locking very quickly flash up. The whole computer would eventually shut off after a long black screen. And the reason is down here. See this? This is the SSD that came in the computer. It's one of those itty bitty teeny ones that's, you know, the size of a postage stamp. And this was actually getting up past 80 degrees Celsius, causing the Intel blah blah monitoring stuff to notice that the NVMe drive, which it said in the event logs, was getting too hot, hitting 80 degrees Celsius, so the computer would shut off. You take this and you flip it up, rip that panel off the back, and I put some wax thermal pads right here inside the case between the SSD and this metal backing plate. The thermal pads pull the heat off the drive and sink it to this plate, which is enough to get the temperatures back down to where they're supposed to be, and I haven't been able to crash it since. But the weird stuff that was going on, that's why it was going on. So if you have a weird problem with a computer with a NVMe SSD that's little like that, crashing, maybe, just maybe, it's overheating and you need to put some thermal pads in there, some of those little blue wax thermal pads. That's what was happening to this one. Take it easy.